I just had to let you know you're. She had me been through, she had me been through.
So next, I will share you the story behind your name. The first question is, who gave you your name? The one who gave my name is my mommy or my late grandmother. What does your name mean? So, gipangalan nasa ako kay from same year food sa pagkawala. Sa older brother sa akong papa, that's the same time nga gipanganak food ko. Wow! And is there a special story connected to your name? Ang story ana is mo na akong mention earlier. And next is, what's your name originally intended for a boy or a girl? Siyempre, for a boy. So current guys, I will share you some of my personality. Akong favorite color is color pink. And my favorite sports is basketball. Yes, these are my hobbies and talents. My hobbies are dancing, singing, and also sleeping. And the next is my favorite movie or music. My favorite music is Brown Eyes, and my favorite movie is War Machine. So muna to sa first part, at now, mag-proceed na to sa second part. So the part 2, and the title is Exploring My Identity. And the first question is, describe yourself using 5 words. Describe myself as an outgoing, friendly, hardworking, and kind, and lastly, a very handsome person. Right. Oh my God! Next is, what qualities or values are most important to you? For me, it is respect and inclusivity. Gina-treat na ko ang everyone equally honor your
A few moments later.
What qualities or values are most important to you? For me, it is respect and inclusivity. Ina-treat na ko ang everyone equally, honor their preference, culture, privacy, and most importantly, never judge. So next, what makes you unique as a person? Because I am who I am, and no one will ever be like me. What achievements are you most proud of? That one time, itong kami sa team sa Biogan City Greens, nadaog mi sa North Division Championato din dula mi og championship sa Governor's Cup. What is the one challenge you have overcome in your life? For me, ang challenge nga na-overcome ako in life is when I graduated senior high school. Not the hardest, but still it's a challenge for me. That's all. And so the next part is the part 3. So the part 3 is my views on the experience. The first question is, do you think society has expectation about how boys and girls should behave? Yes, kay kasagaran society may expect jud nga boys to be tough and girls to be gentle. But these are just all ideas, really rules nga need to follow. So next question is, have you ever experienced or witnessed a stereotype based on gender? What happened? I haven't witnessed anything like that, Papo. In your own words, what does respect for diversity mean? In my opinion, respect for diversity means I accept, I value, and treat ang mga tao fairly regardless of their gender, culture, race, religion, or belief. What do you hope to learn from the gender and society course? See different perspectives, For me, gusto na ako ma-learn kung how gender overlaps with class, religion, ethnicity, disability, and madaw ang tinod na story sana. Di lang kay theories. That's all for part 3. So, dito ta sa fourth and last part. So, dito na ta sa fourth and last part. Part 4. My aspiration. First is, what are your goals for this academic year? So, akong goal this school year is to learn and survive this academic year and to not fail June. Ang ikaduha, what profession or career do you hope to pursue in the future? And I hope to pursue being a policeman in the future because kanagad akong gusto na i-achieve in life. And the last question is, how do you hope to contribute positively to your family, community, or society? Ang natubag is, ngaunta hinaot, makakontribute ko by supporting my family, helping my community, gamiton akong skills to make a positive difference in society. So that's all. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless. Bye-bye.
happy, happy, happy.